as you can see, progress has been made. There's a lot of stuff that hasn't gotten filmed, and that's quite all right. I gotta keep some secrets. I'm just gonna touch these up with some get some of these edges. Smoothed out a little bit. But everything's looking good. Nice and smooth. So let's see what's left. Well, at this point, I've got all the screws have been attached. There's some original hardware, and it was necessary for some replacement. The speaker screws were retained, and the baffle screws needed to be replaced. I'm hoping that the this flat stuff is flat enough for the speakers. It should be, I think. And box holes here. Let me tap those a little bit more because the paint is filling them up. If I can find my awl. some of these screws were rusty, so they have been cleaned. And coated with a little oil. I don't want to sand too much, because I'll expose the screws, but filled that one hole, that pesky accident. And we're looking good. Just trying to find any bumps I might have. I mean, this is going to be covered, so it's not important, but I think you get the idea. All right. Oh, yeah. By the way, I lost a subscriber. I had 8. Yeah, you know, and then I'm guessing what happened was they got annoyed with my constant uploading and unsubscribed. Well, how about that? I guess, you know, you weren't interested in my content, but yeah, you know, I mean, I know that and if you are one of my remaining subscribers, and you know, like that's your complaint, is that I upload like 100 videos at a time. You know, sometimes I have to get them off my phone so I can delete them and make space for more. Other times it's because I am in an area that I have a Wi-Fi signal, and it's easier, it's faster. I'm not using my data. So I do that, you know, a bunch at once. So, you know, I'm not trying to be annoying, I promise. It's just you know, imagine that. You know, I mean, seriously, who wants to hang out on YouTube and be bombarded with videos? How absurd is that? All right, that's my thought for today.